If you ever wanted to learn how to fold your cardigans, you've come to the right place. This week I'm going to teach you every single way there is to fold cardigans. One new video each day. So yeah, enjoy! First I'm going to show you how to fold your cardigans the classic way. So we want to start out by laying the cardigan down on a flat surface and button up all the buttons if there are any. From here we're going to turn the cardigan around so that we have the back side facing up. So once you have a cardigan with the back facing up, we're going to split it into about 1/4 the width of the cardigan, folding in 1/4 at a time. Like that, and from here we're going to take the arm, fold it out all the way and down like this, so that it lines up nicely along the length of the cardigan. So we repeat on the other side in 1/4 the length, like that, so that they kind of meet here in the middle. If it's a little bit overlap, that's fine. Arm over and then down, like that, stretch it out, make sure it's nice and even, like this. And then we're going to split the cardigan into 3 parts, and I'm starting by folding up 1/3 the length from the bottom. And then I'm going to take the top and I'm going to fold it down as well. And here we go, a beautifully folded cardigan in the classical style. And if you want a free cheat sheet with how to fold clothes, my 5 top folding hacks, head over to organizing.tv/hacks right now, or you can tap right here. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for another cardigan folding video. Tomorrow will be file folding cardigans. See you there. Peace.